I had it running and I'm down to about 90 psi because it takes a couple minutes to fill up this tank. That's where the tank pressure's at. Modulates, starts modulating at about 115 and kicks off completely at about 120 or 119-ish. We'll run it here in a second. Here's the info. And not sure how well you can read that, but it's a 30 horsepower motor. It's hooked up for 230 volts right now. Back side here real quick. Tone changing at about 115 when it starts modulating. And there's the hiss from the sump pressure being let out. The timer for the auto runs works because it takes a minute for it to come back on. Once the timer kicks on, it will run again. I'll wait for that and then we'll be done.